Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this look using the Rouge lipstick, or Rouge makeup, mainly just the lipstick on lips and cheeks. And I am wearing a Rouge top. Rouge is a fashion line by Jeanne Damas. It is French, and I'm obsessed. So if you like what you see, please watch all the way through to the end. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to, let's do it. Alright, so in my last video I showed, I think it was my last video, that I don't really wear foundation. It's not really necessary because I'm putting all of these other things on top of my skin, so I don't really need to start with a really, not a lot of base. But I do think that taking care of your skin is really important. I already did my skincare, but I am putting on a little bit of the strobe cream from MAC in Peach Light. This gives a really pretty glow to the skin because it has like a peach pearl to it, which I really like. And it also adds another layer of hydration. So, under eye concealing, same as I always do, because I like to get rid of that little bit of dark puff. But I don't bring it all the way up to my eyelashes because I want to keep that little bit of depth there. I find when you put concealer all the way up, it closes up the eye. And that's the look I like. See, I still have discoloration, texture, but by the time that I put on my powder and blush, highlighter, you're not gonna really see it. This is a slightly lighter color that I'm just taking a small firm brush and just applying under that puff. See that right there? Not on top because you don't want to highlight it and make it more apparent. That's why I put the slightly darker one over first. But just see this right there. Can't get it completely on, but close enough. If you do want a little bit more coverage, I usually use a pretty light coverage, but today I'll show you Studio Fix foundation, which is like a powder foundation, has always been a favorite of mine. This color is C3. I'm just using a large powder brush. And I'm just gonna first set under the eyes. So I don't want that moving around. And then with what's left on your brush, you can build up this coverage, which I like, but I don't want a lot of coverage. I just want other products to have something to ride on. There, blushes. So this came out of my kit, so I put all of my cream products, I just scooped them into here, so I have all of them in front of me. I'm pretty sure they're all MAC, but I'm gonna go into maybe this color here. No idea what it is. I think it also has a slight shimmer to it. So pretty. I find in the winter months, I like to wear more cream products. Because it adds even more hydration to the skin. But that's color, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like a peachy pink. I'm gonna go in with a bold red lip, so I just want a little bit of flush color onto my cheeks. See, it just gives a really pretty finish, a little bit of color. To contour, I'm gonna use the Chanel Soleil de Temps. And I've been liking this firmer brush because it sculpts a little bit better, and I don't want to have a tan all over. I just want to kind of sculpt the cheek out with it. Getting old, so that double chin is coming in hot. So A little bit of contouring underneath there. It's gone. For highlight, I'm actually going to use a lipstick. I think MAC still makes Sandy B. Is created for Sandra Bernhard. Oh, it's such a beautiful color. I have it in one of these palettes. I don't know if they make these palettes, but I'm pretty sure they still make Sandy B, which is a beautiful frost peach lipstick. But any lipstick you can use on your cheeks or as a highlight. So I'm gonna do Sandy B as my highlight. I like something that you can use for multiple purposes. And I like Sandy B because it's not lighter than my skin tone, it's just adding in a slight frost and a little bit of that glossier texture. So pretty. For the eyes, I tried not wearing eyeliner or wearing like a light brown eyeliner under my eyes the other day, and I don't know, for me, I just don't like it. I feel like I have created a face that I like, and that's just me now, so. And I've been doing this eyeliner since I started wearing makeup when I was like 14 years old. So I feel like just do what makes you happy. So many other ways that you can change up your makeup, but if there's one staple piece that makes you you, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Now I'm gonna go in with another cream blush. It's kind of like a grayish mauve. And I want to put that on the eyelids. Again, it just gives like a wash of color, but it's mainly about that texture. I'm not going to be wearing mascara. I have been wearing less and less mascara, which I thought I would never be able to do, but I like it a lot, actually. I feel like I look like a different person, a little bit softer. And I still haven't found a mascara that I truly love. And I have changed up my eyelash serum with Woolash. I just started it this, been using it for like a week or so. So I'm giving my eyelashes some time to just be healthy and absorb the serum. I've also been a lot more trying not to bleach my brows or my hair, as you can see. Is it a trend or is it your tax bracket? Because I've been doing such horrible things to my body and skin over the years. Now I just want to give it some time to, now that it's probably way too late. I'm like 43 years old now. But you never know, it may come back. I do like to still curl my lashes, especially if I don't have mascara on. My lashes are so fair. The rest of my body has such dark hair, but my lashes are like, no, we'll be blonde. They're not blonde, they're more like blonde at the tips. Cool, so you just look like you have stubby lashes. Anyway, that's pretty much it for skin, eyes. And now the lip. I am such a huge Jeanne Damas fan. I'll link some photos of her. She is French. I think she just has really iconic French style. She came out with a makeup line on top of fashion line called Rouje. They ship to, well, they definitely ship to the United States or North America. This is one of the Rouje tops. It's just so pretty and sexy, but not in an over-the-top way. And it's such great quality. I love her stuff. She also came out with Booty. So this is a little Rouge bag. I just keep like my makeup for the day in it. And I got this lipstick, and this is the Jeanne lipstick shade. So beautiful. So I'm going to first apply a lip liner. This is Spice from MAC. I like using a natural, pretty natural lip liner, even with bolder colors. This just gives a little dimension rather than adding more color. Look at that color. Oh. It's super creamy, super matte, and it's got like a blurring ingredient. I don't know, but it's so gorgeous. It just looks like velvet. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I have a thing for red lips. Classic. You can also take, like once you push it in, take what's left on your finger, just to add a little bit more just to the cheek. Just the apple. And that just kind of blends everything together. You can even put a little bit in your crease, just to warm it up a little bit. And voila. And that is it. That is my Rouge lip tutorial, I guess. And thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. If you like Rouge, you should really check out their website. I will link it down below. Rouge Jeanne lipstick, and I forget what this top is called, but if they still have it, I'll link it down below, or something that's close to it, but highly recommend. Please like and subscribe. That means a lot to me. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.